Welcome back to the Corner Faster Get Fast series. We're at Lime Rock Park in the Porsche Cayman GT4 in the middle of 50 laps to get up to speed using the iRacing simulator. This video, laps 34, 35, and 36, focus on the flat car concept. Definitely take a look at content that is by or includes Rob Wilson for more on this. But anyway, at this point, we've analyzed the track, everything from learning the layout to the finer points of braking, throttle, and steering, and try to minimize weight transfer. And the concept behind this is, even though as we shift weight to the outside tires, they actually do gain some grip. More grip is lost off the inside tires. And so to maximize the grip across all four tires, we need to minimize the weight transfer. And the first thing that we're going to do in car is focus on our inputs, revisiting how we get on the brake, throttle, and how we introduce steering. And ideally we want there to be a slight introductory phase where we apply just the smallest amount of each input before actually working our way through either the pedal travel or inputting quite a bit of steering. And basically, this is a way of telling the car what we're going to ask of it before we do it, and it allows some of the weight to settle so that when we do work through the rest of the pedal travel or turn in, we don't jerk the car by essentially tossing the weight either forward or backward or left or right. So in terms of what this looks like for each corner, in Big Bend, it's really about smoothing out the trail brake and the throttle application. In left-hander and right-hander, it's about a brief pause right here, allowing the weight to settle before turning in. Probably could have used a bigger pause on that lap. In the uphill, it's about not overly pitching the car too much as we crest the hill, and I go wide on that lap. But staying really as balanced as possible through the impacts of West Bend, and staying composed as the car pitches into downhill. So again, a way that we can see this is by an external camera and literally looking for a flat car to be maintained through each corner. So one of the things you'll notice is, even though we're trying to go for a car with sort of minimal movement from the external point of view, if we do have to make a correction, we want that to be as quick as possible. So that's why you see drivers on fast laps, even though they might be trying to maintain a composed weight transfer, they may do so with some very quick corrections. And the reason for that is, if you don't correct a problem immediately, the weight can shift and shift and shift further and further out and cause a more dramatic weight shift the other way. So that's why corrections in the context of flat car are still done pretty quickly. So wanted to finish that lap just to sort of get a baseline of where we're at. But anyway, that's a flat car. Stick around for the next video where we stop analyzing so much and just rip it.